We have a white Christmas in Montreal. Show you how deep the snow is. This is my foot, it's all the way in. Snow is pretty deep. Usually it snows around January, February in Montreal, but this time we have a white Christmas, so I'm sure the people who celebrate will be happy. Coming from the UK, as you people are aware, we have a light speck of snow and everything stops. Traffic stops, work stops, people cannot drive. But here in Montreal they have the system, the infrastructure. They have snow plowers, they have trucks that come and clear the snow from the roads, from the pavements, and depending on which neighborhood you live in, they also clean your driveway too. So everything is as normal here, even with the snow. People can get about, go to work, go to school, so that's one benefit of Montreal. So by law you have to have winter tires on your car. You cannot drive without them. If you do, then you will get a fine. So this is the mountain here in the park, and you can slide all the way down with your sledge. I'm gonna do that shortly myself, and I thought I'd show you how it is here during December. The snow is powdery, so it's perfect for sledging. Not the best to make snowballs, but it's perfect for sledging. Look, my foot's all the way in. I'm wearing these boots. I've been called to the mountain, so let's go. We have made it to the top of the mountain. It's pretty steep. I'm gonna go down this shortly on my little sledge. It's a lot of fun actually, going down this mountain. There's a lot of people here on Christmas Day enjoying themselves. This is the other mountain, which is much more steep. So it starts from there and it goes all the way down there. 1, 2, 3. This is me going down the sledge, guys. Whoa! Whoa! just finished up going down the mountain at 30 miles per hour. It was a lot of fun. Now just on a walk around the park and come to this space. So this is a gazebo of some sort, but it looks 10 times better in the snow. So some warning signs for you: no swimming, no fishing, no boating, no barbecue. Look how beautiful it looks. The sun is shining in the background, and you have the lake, which is all frozen. So all of this you see is a lake, and it's all frozen. It's very thin ice, so it's not recommended to go on there, but it looks very, very beautiful. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up. It's almost glistening. I'm taking the views. Breathe that fresh air. The air quality here is the best, and the water is glacier water, so you know you're getting the right hydration. Can you get better than this, guys? Tell me what you think in the comments. Does it get better than this time of the year? I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but the lake is glistening. It's like sparkly and it's shining. I hope you see this on the camera, because in person it's beautiful. You can see the glistening more now. It's very shiny. I wanted to capture the sparkles in the snow better for you guys, and you can see it more clearly now. You see? It's like diamonds. Just come across this passage where you can see the lake more up close. Someone has left a shopping cart on the lake. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I mean, it's funny, but you can see the lake glistening even more. Because I'm up close and personal to the lake. Gonna wrap this video up, guys. Hope you enjoyed snow, me going down the mountain in the sled and seeing the frozen lake. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.